We begin our work with a determination and a desire to come to decisions, not by majority, but by uniformity. Kublai, this is Lakyntiewshisha Tang, representing NYK Jowai district, Meghalaya. I feel very blessed and humbled to be a part of the celebration of the National Unity Day, and I extend my gratitude to the NYKS for this beautiful opportunity. Once again, thank you very much for having me here. The words I have mentioned at the beginning of the speech were none but those of our hero, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, a man of both vision and action, who aspires that all Indians should be united. As a lawyer, he was very passionate and well known as the undefeatable lawyer. But to the Loha Purush of India, a thought struck to him that I can gain lots of wealth from my job, but this can never deliver India its independence. After intense contemplation, he abandoned his career and worked for India. I think most of us are very familiar with his contributions in the fight for self-rule. His legendary organization, his leadership skills, his ability to clarify situations and take decisive actions has earned him the title Sardar, and this set him apart from his contemporaries. Now, we all know after India got its independence, it could have been scattered into pieces. But Sardar did not let that happen. He integrated all the princely states into one beautiful garland of united India that we see today. Now, when I say united India, my dear listeners, it reflects the reason why each one of us are present here today, celebrating the National Unity Day as the world's largest democracy. The reason being the dedications and sacrifices of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. For he have planted the seeds, and we get to enjoy the fruits of freedom struggle. Ladies and gentlemen, the climax of 1947 is not the end. The real fight is today. The Akhand Bharat is a result of sustainable unity. And let me take you to a beautiful childhood story of the bundle of sticks. A single stick breaks easily, but a bundle of sticks united together is powerful. India is fostered by unity in diversity, and manpower with unity is strength. This is what Patelji wants from each one of us, from an independent, united India, where we all walk together towards tomorrow. Let us sink all our differences, he said. Let us sink all our differences and work for one interest only, the interest of each one of us, the interest of India as a whole. We must remember, आज़ाद भारत एक 1.39 लोगों का कुतुब है और उसकी सेवा करना तथा उसकी गरिमा बनाए रखना हमारा कर्म, हमारा धर्म और हमारे जीवन का उद्देश्य होना चाहिए. Thank you, Kublai Shibon. Jai Hind.